Finest precision blades, self-sharpening, stay sharp longer to cut all hair types. Adjustable taper lever makes it easy to fade and blend. Secure fit premium guards with stainless steel clips. Guide combs make haircutting at home safe, smooth and easy. Powerful durable motor, quiet, low noise superior performance haircut machine. Premium accessories, shears, scissors, styling comb, cape, bib, blade oil, cleaning brush, handled storage case, drawstring pouch for guards, cord wrap, blade guard. Limited lifetime warranty, for home use only, not valid if used as professional barber clippers. Not for international use, made for U.S.A. electrical wall outlets only. Based on North American dollar sales. Upgrade now #1 brand for hair clippers, beard mustache trimmers. Made in the USA, this high-performance hair clipper is our best for haircutting grooming. Best gift, for dads, sons, boyfriends, for Christmas or holidays. Black and chrome design for a sleek, professional look. The Elite Pro high-performance haircutting kit has our most powerful durable motor, our finest precision self-sharpening blades and secure fit guide combs with stainless steel attachment clips. Featuring Wahl's best corded motor. The motor has 15% more power than Wahl's PowerDrive premium motor for no-snag cutting. Wahl's self-sharpening precision blades stay sharper longer and cuts hair 40% faster. If the blades are not oiled, it may be possible the blades will not move. However, even if not oiled, the clipper will usually have enough power to run. If the voltage in your home is low, then the clipper's motor may make a loud noise. There is an adjustment screw on the side of the clipper that will correct that issue, noted in the instructions. Note: this clipper is made to be only used in the USA. If used outside the USA, voltages are different and can affect performance and may damage the product. Save yourself time, money and headaches between trips to the barber with the best in men's grooming. Add the Wahl Elite Pro High Performance Haircut Kit to your cart today. Note: we test our clippers for cutting performance prior to packaging with a hygienic fiber. We do our best to clean the product to remove any testing particles, but it is possible a few may remain. They are not hair and can be simply wiped off. Top reviews from the United States. Powerful. These are my favorite clippers to give my 22-year-old autistic grandson a haircut. I am not a professional, but I have no problem giving him a decent haircut. They are so easy to use. These are heavy-duty clippers.